Exercise 1. Kneeling single dumbbell Svend press, core-driven chest compression. Kneeling stabilizes the hips while you crush a single dumbbell between your palms and drive it forward for intense inner pec tension, a rock-solid center line, elite power, and a professional look that radiates massive strength. Kneel and crush, inner power. Exercise 2. Dumbbell one-leg fly on exercise ball. Unstable chest expansion. Balancing on one leg atop a ball while performing flies forces the pectorals and stabilizers to fire simultaneously for massive width, total body control, and a sharp aesthetic that defines a truly elite and professional bodybuilding physique. Ball balance, wide stretch. Exercise 3. Dumbbell close grip push-up, inner chest and tricep blast. Gripping the dumbbells close together during push-ups shifts the entire load to the inner pecs for extreme density, a massive armor-like frame, and consistent progress towards professional strength and a thick, well-defined chest profile. Close drive, inner density. Exercise 4. Single dumbbell horizontal squeeze press, constant isometric squeeze. Holding a dumbbell horizontally and crushing it between your hands at chest height creates brutal tension for deep muscle density, a sharp center run, and a professional chest that looks powerful from every single angle and pose. Horizontal crush, deep inner. Exercise 5. Plank dumbbell floor fly rolling, core stabilized pectoral roll. Moving into a fly from a plank position forces the chest to handle body weight and dynamic resistance for unrivaled detail, high-intensity development, and a rugged professional frame that dominates the competition and life with total ease. Plank roll, extreme tension. Exercise 6. Dumbbell decline twist fly, lower pec rotation. Performing flies on a decline bench with a wrist twist targets the lower chest border for professional thickness, a sharp aesthetic, and a dominant lower silhouette that stands out with superior muscle activation and total growth. Decline twist, lower border. Exercise 7. Dumbbell incline close grip press, upper inner chest rawn. Pressing the dumbbells together while on an incline creates a brutal inward force that targets the upper inner chest line. This specialized path is a primary driver for building deep, rawn density and a sharp, professional aesthetic for a massive upper chest. Incline squeeze, inner chest.